Okay, I'm going to be making this recipe from the Around the World cookbook. This is Greek, sauteed summer squash. The first thing I have to do is trim the ends of the squash, cut the squash into matchstick size strips. So let me go ahead and work on that. I have made this before and it's a pretty tasty dish. Actually, I need to fix something here. Okay, let me get started. Cutting this up. Yeah, basically I need to cut off the ends here and then just go into matchstick size strips. So go like here. Shucks. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Okay, that's about matchstick size strips. See that? And I'm going to go like that. So I'll just keep doing this with all of the squash till I get them all like that. And then I'll be ready for the next step. As you can see, it kind of looks like that right there. I'm going to have to squeeze some fresh lemon juice because I need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice for this recipe. So let me just go ahead and do that right now. So basically I'm just going to have to make some fresh lemon juice for the recipe. Okay, I squeezed some lemon juice. This should be enough for the recipe, and I just used up my last lemon, so I'll have to go get some next time I go grocery shopping. Yeah, that'll definitely be enough. So I think I can get ready for the cooking part now. Okay. Oops. Yeah, we're going to get ready to cook the squash. I need to put in, it's pretty heated up now. And we're going to add in a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Let's see. Oh, I do have a little bit here. Let's go ahead and use this up. But this, I don't think this is going to go to a tablespoon. Almost, but, oh, you know what? That might be enough. Just finish up what's in here. Yeah, that might be enough. Okay. Probably needs a little bit of time to heat up and throw that in the garbage. We'll go ahead and add that in there. Woo! Yep. Let's lower the heat just a little bit. Okay, we'll go ahead and spread that around. Yeah. Now we'll go ahead and add the squash. Good thing I used a larger pan. This is a Greek dish. Okay. So what we're going to do right now, stir continuously until the sizzling slows down somewhat. Okay. I think it needs a little bit more oil. Just a little bit more oil because I'm actually using a little bit more squash than the recipe calls for. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. The sizzling slows down somewhat. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good right there. Let's go ahead and go to the next step. Okay, the next step now is seasoned squash with salt and pepper. I would say about a 4 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon pepper. I'm going to kind of guesstimate this. That's good. Okay, and then pepper, a little bit less than that. Let's see here. That's about right. All right. Go ahead and spread that around. The fresh lemon juice is what really makes this dish, so it's kind of like the subtle flavoring of all this, and using the extra virgin olive oil. Okay, when the squash is just barely tender, about 10 minutes, add the lemon juice. So that's going to be, I would say, about 1 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Okay. A little bit of a seed in here. Get that out of there. Let's try another tablespoon because we're actually using more squash than the recipe calls for. Okay, that should be good. Okay. All right. Now I might just take one out just to see how it tastes. Get an idea. Not bad. That's good. I think I have it seasoned just right. Let's just cook it a little bit more. This is a pretty simple dish, but it's pretty tasty. I actually kind of like simple food sometimes. It's food that's close to nature and simple. Okay, cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until squash is crisp tender. Okay, I'd say it's pretty much done, so we're going to turn off the heat. And you could serve this warm or cold. It's kind of like you could add it to a salad. So it is done. Let's just go ahead and get a close-up of this, and then I'll test it out. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, we are done here. This is a Greek dish. I've made this before. It's simple but good. Okay. Let's get a close-up of that. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's try the squash. Here it is. It's a little hot. Actually, let me go ahead and close this door here. And I keep forgetting. Okay. This is good. Simple but good. Delicious. The lemon and the pepper and the salt, really good. I like it. Good.